So good morning students. In this session of fractions which is the third session and class is day 12, we discuss about 7th class maths addition of unlike fractions. So in this session we learn of addition of unlike fractions. So last session we have learned addition and subtraction of like fractions. Like fractions are nothing but the fractions which have same denominator. So then what is unlike fractions? Unlike fractions which do not have same denominator. So which do not have same denominator means, for example, like this one, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. These two are unlike fractions. So that is when you have different denominator, then how to add such fractions, we'll see today. So here 1 by 2 and 1 by 3, for 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 we take LCM of 2 and 3. So here what we are doing, we are taking the LCM of 2 and 3. Or the simpler method is if the denominators are co-prime. You know what are co-prime? Co-prime means they do not have any common factor. 2 and 3, they don't have any common factor. So they are co-prime. So when you have denominators like this, you have to simply convert these two unlike fractions into like fractions. How do you convert two unlike fractions into like fractions? See here. 1 by 2, we are writing 1 by 2 as it is. Okay. Follow carefully. It's very important for your further studies. Okay. So here 1 by 2 we are writing. Now we are taking the denominator of another fraction. That is, what is it? 3. So we are multiplying the first fraction with 3 by 3. Why we are multiplying 3 by 3? Because we are having the denominator of the other fraction as 3. So we are taking the denominator of another fraction and multiplying with the first fraction here, 3 by 3. Why 3 by 3? Because there shouldn't be any change in the equation. So to balance this whole thing, we are multiplying it by 3 by 3. Plus 1 by 3 into, for 1 by 3 what we are doing? We are taking the denominator of this one. Okay, and multiplying it by 2 by 2. So why we are doing this step? We are doing it to convert the unlike fractions into like fractions. Let's see how we are getting the like fractions. Now when you multiply 1 3s are 3. Okay, 2 3s are 6 and 1 2s are 2. 3 2s are 6. So now you can see that these two are converted into like fractions. You are having the same denominator here. Okay. Hope you followed. So this is 3 by 6 plus 2 by 6, which is equal to 5 by 6. Directly you are adding the numerator because these two have converted into like fractions. So same denominator, just add the numerators. So let's take another example for better understanding. Okay. Similarly, we have 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Here also you can see that the denominators are not same. And 3 and 5 are co-prime. That is, 3 will not go in 5 table and 5 will not go in 3 table. Okay. You can understand in that way also. Co-prime means they don't have any common factor. So then what you have to do? For the first fraction, you are multiplying by 5. So 5 by 5. And similarly, for the second fraction, you are multiplying by, only take the denominator. Consider only the denominator. Okay. So for the second one, 1 by 5, you have to take the denominator and multiply 3 by 3. So 1 by 5 into 3 by 3. So why we are doing this step? To convert like fractions into, to convert unlike fractions into like fractions. Okay. So here 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 1 3s are 3, 5 3s are 15. So this is 10 by 15 and this is 3 by 15. Now you can see here the denominators are same. So they have converted into like fractions. So when we get the like fractions, then you can directly add the numerators and write the denominator same as it is. Here we are adding numerators and denominator is same. Okay. Now in the same way what we have done in these two examples, similarly in the same way you do the homework for this 5 sums 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Once again you go through all the steps and then you follow the same method to convert these like fractions into, unlike fractions into like fractions and do the addition of these two fractions to get the result. Okay.